Welcome to Digital Drive. From AI breakthroughs to smart strategies for making money online, we break it down clear, concise, and straight to the point. Subscribe, buckle up, and let's drive your digital future forward. Have you ever wondered how creators like MrBeast, iShowSpeed, and top ASMR artists grow massive audiences, launch brands, and make millions, all online? It's not luck. It's not just talent. It's the tools they use. In today's video, we'll break down the top digital tools these creators rely on, from editing and branding to marketing and automation, and how you can use them to grow your online business, YouTube channel, or brand from scratch. 1. The rise of digital entrepreneurship. Digital technology has made entrepreneurship accessible to everyone. Whether you're in Nigeria, India, the USA, or Brazil, you can build a global brand right from your laptop or smartphone. Let's start with the foundation, YouTube Studio. This is where you manage videos, track analytics, view audience retention, and refine your content strategy. Pair this with Google Trends, and you'll always know what your audience wants next. Then, to find the right keywords and grow organically, creators use tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These platforms offer real-time keyword suggestions, SEO scores, and even A/B testing for thumbnails. 2. MrBeast. Scale, systems, and strategy. MrBeast isn't just a YouTuber, he's a content CEO. His production team uses Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro for precise, cinematic storytelling. For planning, they rely on Monday.com and Trello to map out each scene, budget, and release schedule. Communication? That's handled through Slack and Notion, keeping everyone aligned across multiple projects. To track engagement and ROI on platforms beyond YouTube, they use Sprout Social for detailed analytics on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. 3. iShowSpeed. Real-time creator, real tools. Live creators like iShowSpeed need reliability and speed. His setup includes OBS Studio for high-quality streaming, Streamlabs for overlay customization, and Stream Elements for live chat alerts, donations, and sponsorships. He also automates engagement using Nightbot, which filters spam, shares links, and even greets new users in his streams. Behind the scenes, his audience management happens on Discord, where fans can join, chat, and get exclusive content. All of this supports high-energy, interactive content that builds a loyal following. 4. ASMR creators, tools for calm influence. In contrast, ASMR creators focus on serenity. To capture subtle sound textures, they use premium microphones like the Blue Yeti X, RD&T1, or 3DO FreeSpace for binaural audio. They clean and enhance sound using Audacity, Free, or Adobe Audition, Pro-grade. Visuals are kept minimal and relaxing using DaVinci Resolve for smooth transitions, soft color grading, and simple edits. Branding and thumbnails? That's where Canva Pro comes in, offering custom templates and fonts designed to match their aesthetic. It's about consistency, quality, and atmosphere. 5. Gaming and music channels. High volume, high tech. Gaming creators, think Minecraft, FIFA, or Fortnite, depend on fast tools. OBS Studio handles the recording, while Shotcut or Adobe Premiere Rush makes quick edits before uploads. Gaming channels often stream directly to YouTube Gaming or Twitch, combining real-time play with community interaction. Tools like Discord and Stream Deck give them command over everything, from camera angles to live sound effects. Music creators use FL Studio, Ableton Live, or GarageBand to create original beats or karaoke-style covers. Vocals are cleaned using Auto-Tune Pro or Waves Tune, then packaged with visuals using After Effects or CapCut. 6. Lo-fi and funk channels, aesthetic automation. Lo-fi and funk creators attract long watch time audiences. They often create endless 24/7 live streams using OBS combined with Capwing or Canva Pro for animated visuals. Audio is looped and mastered using FL Studio or Audacity, and many use After Effects or Motion Array to build aesthetic visual loops. Some even automate their streams using Restream.io, pushing content simultaneously to YouTube and Twitch. 7. Sports and commentary channels. Fast, legal, engaging. Sports highlights channels, like those covering NBA, WWE, or football, face tight copyright restrictions. They use Frame.io to collaborate on edits and approvals, ensuring all assets are original or licensed. For editing, they rely on Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve, using plugins like Motion VFX for transitions and scoreboard effects. Commentary and voiceovers are recorded and polished in Descript or Adobe Audition, which also offers automatic transcription. From MrBeast's multi-million-dollar productions to iShowSpeed's chaotic live streams and ASMR's whisper-perfect audio, every creator you admire is backed by powerful digital tools. Success on YouTube and online business is no longer a mystery. It's a matter of mastering the right software, staying consistent, and tracking your growth. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And let us know in the comments, what tools are you using or planning to use to grow your digital empire? Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated and stay in the loop with Digital Drive.